Why do scientists believe the Antarctic ozone hole will fully heal by 2066? Let's dive in. Remember when the ozone hole was a huge deal back in the 80s? Thanks to global efforts, it's shrinking. Scientists say it could be completely healed by 2066. So, what's the secret sauce? It's all about reducing the use of CFCs, those nasty chemicals found in old fridges and spray cans. In 1987, countries around the world signed the Montreal Protocol, agreeing to cut down on these ozone-depleting substances. Fast forward to today, and the results are showing. The ozone layer, which protects us from harmful UV rays, is slowly but surely bouncing back. This is a big win for our planet and future generations. But remember, we gotta keep up the good work. Sustainable practices and eco-friendly choices are key. We did it once, we can do it again. Stay optimistic, stay informed, and let's keep healing our Earth. Now that we've discussed the recovery of the Antarctic ozone hole, let's explore its broader impact on our global climate. You might be wondering, how does a healthier ozone layer affect our planet's climate systems? Well, it's quite fascinating. First, a recovering ozone layer helps stabilize atmospheric temperatures. The ozone hole allowed more UV radiation to reach the Earth's surface, disrupting weather patterns and contributing to climate variability. With the ozone layer on the mend, we can expect more stable and predictable weather. Moreover, the reduction in harmful UV radiation benefits not just humans, but also marine ecosystems. Phytoplankton, the tiny organisms at the base of the ocean food chain, thrive better with less UV exposure. This means healthier oceans, which play a crucial role in regulating our climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. But that's not all. The success of the Montreal Protocol shows us the power of international cooperation in tackling environmental issues. It's a blueprint for how we can address other pressing challenges, like climate change. By working together, nations can create impactful policies that safeguard our planet for future generations. So, as we celebrate the healing of the ozone layer, let's remember its ripple effects. A healthier ozone layer means a healthier planet, and that's something worth fighting for. Let's keep making those eco-friendly choices and supporting policies that protect our environment. Together, we can make a difference. Stay informed, stay inspired, and keep pushing for a brighter, greener future.